Hello, MOLIFHAI fam and food lovers. Ready for some fresh, crunchy and healthy mung bean sprouts? They're called Tawgi in the Philippines. So delicious. And guess what? You can grow them at home in just 3 days. Yes, you heard right. With a little help from our friend, VIGNA Bioenzyme, we'll be enjoying homegrown sprouts in no time. Are you ready to get started? I promise this is going to be fun and easy. No green thumb required. Let's get growing. Now, let me introduce you to our secret weapon, VIGNA Bioenzyme. This amazing product was developed by the brilliant Dr. Marlon L. Sayson. He's a real expert in plant science. VIGNA Bioenzyme is made from natural ingredients. It helps your mung beans sprout faster and grow healthier, and it's so easy to use. First, we need to mix our VIGNA Bioenzyme with water. This bioenzyme is a natural, eco-friendly solution that helps in the sprouting process. Just add a small amount to a bowl of clean water. It's important to use clean, filtered water to ensure the best results. Give it a good stir. Make sure the water turns to light brown. This will activate the enzymes and prepare the solution for the mung beans. Now, it's time to introduce our mung beans. Mung beans are a great source of protein and nutrients, making them perfect for sprouting. Pour the VIGNA Bioenzyme solution over a cup of mung beans. The solution will help to soften the beans and kickstart the germination process. Make sure they are covered completely. The beans should be fully submerged in the solution to ensure even soaking. Now, find a nice, dark place for your beans to soak. A dark environment is crucial as it mimics the natural conditions under the soil. Leave them alone for about 8 hours or overnight. This gives the beans ample time to absorb the water and bioenzyme, making them ready for sprouting. They'll be nice and plump after 8 hours. The beans will have absorbed the solution, making them perfect for the next step in your sprouting journey. Time to sprout. Welcome to the exciting part of our journey, where we transform simple mung beans into nutritious sprouts. After soaking the mung beans, it's time to drain them thoroughly. Now, find a clean container, like a wide box or a tray. The container should be spacious enough to allow the beans to spread out and have room to grow. Spread the beans out in a single layer on a clean, absorbent cloth inside the tray. Do not use cheesecloth. This ensures that each bean has enough space and access to air, which is crucial for the sprouting process. Here's a little trick. Cover your container with a dark cloth or a dark lid. This helps to create a dark, humid environment that mimics the natural conditions beans need to sprout. The darkness and moisture encourage the beans to start sprouting, turning them into tiny powerhouses of nutrition. Twice a day, give them a gentle spray with a VIGNA and water solution. This keeps the beans moist and helps them grow without drying out. Make sure they stay moist, but not soaking wet. Too much water can cause mold, while too little can prevent sprouting. Keep an eye on them, and in just a few days, you'll see tiny sprouts emerging. You'll be amazed at how quickly your mung beans transform. Within just 3 days, you'll have a tray full of fresh, crunchy sprouts. And because we used VIGNA Bioenzyme, our sprouts are extra special. They're packed with nutrients. They're bursting with flavor. And they're ready to add a healthy crunch to all your favorite dishes. Share your sprouts. Congratulations, you've done it. You've successfully grown your very own mung bean sprouts. And now it's time to celebrate your green thumb achievement. You've grown your very own mung bean sprouts with VIGNA Bioenzyme. Wasn't that easy? With just a little bit of care and patience, you've nurtured these tiny seeds into nutritious, delicious sprouts. Now, It's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. These sprouts are not just healthy, but incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Toss your fresh sprouts into stir-fries, salads, or soups. They add a delightful crunch and a burst of freshness to any dish, or enjoy them as a healthy snack. Munch on them straight from the jar, or mix them with your favorite nuts and seeds for a quick energy boost. However you choose to eat them, be sure to savor the flavor of your homegrown goodness. There's something truly special about eating food you've grown yourself. Don't forget to share your sprout growing journey on social media. Your experience can inspire others to start their own sprout growing adventure. Tag me at MOLIFHAI and use the hashtag #VIGNA Sprouts, #MOLIFHAI. I love seeing how creative everyone gets with their sprouts. I can't wait to see your amazing creations. Whether it's a simple salad or an elaborate dish, your sprouts are sure to shine. Happy sprouting, everyone! Keep growing, keep sharing, and most importantly, keep enjoying the delicious results of your hard work.